To all the video editors out there, welcome to the channel. If you've been using CapCut for a while and you considering upgrading to the Pro version, or you are new to the video editing world and you want to know which version is the better option, today we're going to compare them and see what is actually added in each one of those packages. So let's check it out. So if you are looking to use the Pro version, this is what you can expect. It does offer a variety of advanced editing tools, including a multi-track editing feature, keyframe animation, and more precise control over all of your edits. You also gain access to an extensive library of premium effects, transitions, and filters, and so much more that can make your videos unique to you. You can also export your videos in higher resolutions, including 4K, ensuring that your content looks amazing, depending on, of course, what platform you're using. Also, you get to enjoy uninterrupted editing with no ads, allowing you to focus on your project at hand. You also provided a cloud storage option and some collaboration features, which makes it, of course, easier to work on projects with other members in your team. If you are, however, just jumping into the video editing scene and you want to just try CapCut out as a free version, you can have a look at some of the essential editing tools such as trimming, splitting, and merging clips. This makes it super user-friendly if you are a beginner. You still, of course, have access to a good amount of filters, effects, and some stock footage, allowing you to enhance your videos without actually spending any money. The app is designed to be very user-friendly, very intuitive, which makes it super easy for people of all skill levels, including super beginners, to really create something special. It also provides access to a library of music and sound effects, which can help you add great audio to your videos within the application. Also, you can easily share your edits across different social media platforms directly, which of course makes it convenient for you to showcase your work. So you've been using CapCut for a while and you've realized that the free version actually has a lot of packed features. However, the upgraded Pro version also has some additional features and a lot of AI implementation. Go ahead and try both of them and see what it is that fits your needs best. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.